when we are beginner and we want to learn English language, so initially we make a lot of mistakes and we think like how can we learn English language in a short time. We are confused like what to watch or what not to watch. First of all, what we need to learn and what we do not need to learn. So today's video is only on for those people who are not able to understand that first of all what should be learn and how should we learn, and first of all, I mean, what is the first thing that we should learn in English language, to speak English language, to learn English language, right? So first of all, I would suggest you to do one thing. First of all, know about yourself, where you are. If you are not able to understand English language, if someone is speaking, so it means you are a beginner. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, first of all, try to learn sentences. If you have knowledge about grammar, if you have knowledge about sentences, what will be happen by this sentence, what will be happen by this sentence, what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of that, right? If you have knowledge, proper knowledge of grammar, then you can learn something others. Like first of all, what, there are many people, and we all the people have the same problem. Like after learning those 12 sentences, past, present, future, and these three has a four sentences, right? So after learning these sentences, what happens, like we start learning about active, passive, and direct, indirect, and then in those sentences we face a lot of problems, right? So do not go after those sentences. First of all, just try to implement only those 12 sentences in your life. Just speak about that every single day, and after speaking and speaking and speaking, you will be able to understand some of the things, you will be able to, I mean, speak some of the things. And when you will be able to understand, when you will be able to speak some of the things in English language, then you should start. Because after some time you will not be able to understand that what the person is saying, if he is using active, passive, if he using direct, indirect. So at that time we should start learning direct, indirect, and active, passive. And as I know that direct, indirect are not used uh, so much. I mean, it is used but not as much as, I mean, all those sentences, right? And active, passive are used many times, right? So first of all, we should learn active, passive, so that we can use it, we can just implement it in our daily life. Okay, when we will use it, when we will speak it by orally, by our mouth, then it will be improved. And when it will be improved, then our English will be improving day by day, day by day. We have to speak every single day. And when we will start speaking with ourselves, with our phone, just like me, I'm just using my phone camera. And if I'm not using my phone camera, I can use myself. I am I myself a camera, I myself a person who can speak with myself. Like I can speak with myself. Okay, there is no problem. So the topic was what to learn. First of all, just start first of all learning sentences from very very beginning, right? Like present indefinite, then present continuous, then present perfect. Okay, and through these sentences we can learn. And do not only write it down. Okay, don't write it down many times, just speak it, just use it in your daily life. I know speaking is not very easy, like we cannot speak in our home very easily. Some of the people can speak, some of the children, some of the students can speak, but many of you are not able to speak because there is no any environment, right? So we should try to know the place, try to know the place where we can speak, right? Because it is our dream. If you want to learn English language, if you want to learn anything in your life, so it is up to you. No one can no one will tell you that yeah, now I will go from here and you will be alone here and you can speak now. We will have to search the place, we will have to search the solution. How can we speak and how can we develop ourselves, how can we make, I mean, ourselves confident, right? How can we make ourselves intelligent, I mean, how can we make ourselves able to speak English language? Okay, no one is going to tell you, no one is going to guide you. there may be so many people who can guide you, but in my case, no one told me like how you have to do and how you can do, and how you can learn English language. I used to watch a lot of videos. I don't know that what kind of videos I watched and how I improved my English language. So anyhow, I mean, I just started speaking, and now I'm improving myself. Still I'm working upon myself. Still I'm just working upon my communication skills, so that I could do something, so that I could learn something more in English language, so that I could improve it to the next level. Okay, so that I could speak it very eloquently, very beautifully, very perfectly, right? Nowadays I'm making a lot of mistakes. Okay, but I am facing this camera, because whenever I speak in English language in front of this camera, then I feel fear, then I feel hesitate, then I feel fear, then I feel like I cannot speak. Okay, and that is why today I'm just recording this video. Today I'm speaking in front of this camera, so that I could overcome from my fear, so that I could fight with my fear. And I know that inshallah one day I will I will just defeat it. I will defeat it and I will win. So that is why I'm just speaking. So my friend, first of all, try to know where you are actually. If you don't have so many vocabularies to use it, so just use a very common vocabularies, very daily life, whatever we can use it in our daily life. Very simple vocabularies we have to learn, and you will have to learn. You need to learn to speak, to implement it in your daily life, right? So first of all, just try to speak and try to implement and try to learn some of the vocabularies for speaking. Okay, whatever sentence you are learning right now. Okay, first of all, like for example, you have learned present indefinite, right? And I know that present indefinite is not so much difficult. We can easily learn it and we can easily speak it as well. Okay, but when it comes does and does not and do not, then we feel something like where should we use does and where should we use, I mean, did not, do not, does not, these kind of things. I mean, we face problems, okay, when we speak about it. So just use first of all some of the vocabularies which are very common, right? And while using those vocabularies, you can start speaking just whatever sentence you learn. Okay, start speaking about that according to that sentence. Like first of all, for example, I do my work, and we can say like this: I work. Okay, I go to there. I do not want to do this. He does not go to the market. These kind of sentences we make, and try to try to just use some of the we can say adverb, some of the adjective. If you don't have knowledge about adjective and adverb, so you can learn on YouTube. There are many videos are available to learn English language. And as you are also aware about it, like there are many videos and we can learn from it. But to learn anything, we need to have a passion. We should have to learn anything in our life. Okay, if you are just watching videos only for getting advice, like see just what happens actually, what the person are saying, that to learn English language, whatever we have to do, we will do. But when it comes to implement, when it comes to do hard work, then we feel like, no yaar, it is very difficult, we cannot do this. Okay, we should just quiet it, so they don't try to learn. Okay, so just I am saying, use those vocabularies and start speaking whatever you learn, right? And by those sentences, by those vocabularies, you can make stories. And little by little, I mean, something every day you will be learning, you will be speaking, so your English will be improving. When I used to come on the road, on this same road before 1 year, then I used to speak, I mean, very broken English, like quite broken English, but I used to speak. I mean, some of the time I used to stuck like what to speak this thing. I used to translate it into English language. Then I used to speak again, and I used to record my videos as well. After just some time, when I got something a little fluency, then I started, you know, recording videos as well. But after some time, and I speaking and speaking and speaking, I, you know, now I am able to speak right now, and I can understand easily whatever someone speaks. Okay, so it is the level of English language. Right now I am not as much perfect in English as I should have been, but still I'm trying. Okay, so I just want to say you also should try, and you should also focus on your skill, and you should also focus on your English. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching.